Hello, Master Manifestors. Today we're talking about Manifestation Mindset Part 7, Story Symbol Sketches. Insight 1, Context Carriers. Symbols are immediate references for context without your mind having to rebuild reality from scratch. They automate behavior and shape neural links to conserve energy and create context. They're mental anchors for action. Insight 2, Shared Symbolism. Our individual realities are like cells in a body. Cells can receive similar information but interpret and act on it differently. Mental stories are constrained by the limits of our perception and identity system, which is the behavioral predictive system. Insight 3, Conscious Consideration. Narratives you allow to replay repeatedly become your dominant reality. Symbols like houses, hearts, health are compact context carriers for scripting your stories. They define what matters and what things mean in your mental system. Manifestation method, simple sketches. Sketch drawings of 5 to 10 symbols related to your manifestation and post them somewhere you'll see them often. As you're drawing them, make up mental stories about having that intention, what it symbolizes. And you want to draw a fresh set about every 2 weeks because you don't want your mind to get too used to it. You could do the same symbols again, just differently. If you want to draw them more detailed, remember that detail creates more intensity of focus and attention. So you can make them light, make them detailed, make them, maybe do AI images, however it resonates with you, to be able to see those symbols and hear those stories in your head every time you see them. That's going to start training your mind to think of that as true and to accept that reality. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and sign up for the MethodMuse newsletter in the description below.